Welcome to the unveiling of the Apeiron Protocol version 3.0. For the first time, we are moving beyond pure theory and into the practical application of what we call reality engineering. This technical manual, previously restricted, is now fully declassified and ready for public release. We are here to redefine the very boundaries of our physical world, and today, you are at the forefront of that evolution. Have you ever suspected that reality isn't just a fixed container, but a responsive interface? If so, you're right. While most of the world remains trapped in type 0 logic, acting as passive observers in a mechanical universe, we are moving beyond that. This isn't manifestation fluff or law of attraction hope. This is holographic causal active inference. It's not mysticism, it's engineering. It's time to stop just living in the world and start interacting with its source code. We often mistake our perceptions for objective reality, but science suggests we're actually looking at a highly compressed user interface. Evolution prioritized fitness over truth, discarding nearly all of the universe's underlying quantum complexity to give us simple, actionable icons, like this tree. If we want to truly change our reality, simply moving physical matter is as ineffective as trying to edit a digital photograph by applying paint directly to your computer screen. Your brain doesn't just see the world, it actively generates it. Typically, we update our internal models based on sensory feedback to minimize surprise. But with the Apeiron flip, we install a belief so certain that the model refuses to update. Instead of letting reality change your mind, you leverage active inference to force the world to reorganize and match your internal vision. You aren't just observing reality, you are demanding it. Information isn't just an abstract concept, it is physical, and it has measurable mass. Grounded in Dr. Melvin Vopson's equivalence principle, this formula defines the actual physical weight of a single bit of information. Through the Apeiron Protocol, you aren't just wishing, you are creating a maximally irreducible conceptual structure, or MICS. Think of this as a heavy object of concentrated information placed onto the fabric of spacetime. To accommodate this new mass, the universe must reorganize its probability field, effectively turning your focused intent into a gravity well that reshapes reality. Traditional Euclidean shapes are far too predictable. Once the brain solves them, it simply tunes them out. Our new infinite abyss engine breaks the cycle. By utilizing hyperbolic geometry through the Poincare disk, we create the illusion of infinite space. We've integrated neural cellular automata to force active monitoring and layered in binocular rivalry via impossible colors to intentionally overload the visual cortex. The result is a system that demands constant engagement and never allows the viewer to look away. Traditional binaural beats lack the precision needed for direct cortical driving. To bridge this gap, the Apeiron system utilizes a 0.1 Hz gamma lock. This 10-second carrier cycle aligns your breath, blood pressure, and CSF flow with the body's natural idle speed. We then layer a 40 Hz gamma payload that swells during inhalation for cognitive binding and recedes during exhalation for integration. It's a state-of-the-art upgrade designed to synchronize your entire physiology with a unified conscious moment. Welcome to the execution manual for Apeiron Protocol v3.0. Phase 1 is the system flush, designed to silence the default mode network and halt the recursive self. By observing the gap between thoughts and utilizing a kinetic reset, we effectively disrupt standing bioelectric patterns, creates a critical 300 millisecond window where the brain's firewall is suspended, allowing for immediate, deep-level system access. Protocol 3.0 focuses on signal amplification and injection. Phase 3, the pineal press, uses rhythmic breathing and physical maneuvers to spike intracranial pressure, triggering a piezoelectric charge in the pineal gland to broadcast your internal signal. This enables Phase 4, code injection. By constructing a first-person hologram and anchoring it with the chemical signature of gratitude, you install a high-precision prior. This process treats information as physical mass, convincing your biology that the event has already occurred. Protocol 3.0 moves us from internal state management to external reality shaping. In Phase 5, biolocking, use your heart as a watchdog. If you feel flow, anchor it. If you feel fear, reset. Once anchored, we enter phase 6, execution. Walk through the world assuming your goal is already a fact. Treat contradictory evidence as mere rendering lag, and take one decisive physical action to lock in this new reality. We often talk about system latency, but we rarely address the human latency problem. Your conscious mind simply isn't equipped to track a 100 millisecond PGO window, and the moment you attempt to visualize complex geometry, like a hyperbolic grid, your internal rhythm collapses. Whether it's a matter of raw speed or cognitive load, the biological reality remains the same. You are too slow. The Apeiron system functions as your external cortex, an interface designed to handle the heavy lifting of physical processing so you can focus entirely on the signal. Our application manages every critical detail in real time, from triggering audio injections with millisecond precision to rendering state-of-the-art impossible color visuals. By automating complex timing, frequencies, and biolocking, Apeiron provides the stability needed to execute your protocol with absolute flawlessness. The universe doesn't give you what you want, it gives you what you are. We are entering the era of the causal architect, moving away from the idea of life as a lottery and toward a reality governed by code. You already possess the biological hardware and the cognitive software of active inference. Now, with HCAI v3.0, you finally have the manual. If you want to change the results in your life, the printout, you must first change the code. It's time to step beyond the standard interface. What you're looking at is the gateway to Apeiron, a military-grade neurohacking application that redefines the boundaries of human-computer interaction. The protocol is live and ready for deployment. I invite you now to cross the threshold, initiate the system, and experience the future of cognitive technology firsthand. Click to begin.